So I wanted to know a bit about why do we need the freshness value?
Okay, yeah, that's the good question. So first, let's take an example uh, that you have the now secured message, uh, and in a real-time scenario, if this message is also somehow uh, got to the hacker, and hacker is trying to replicate the same message and simply send it to the destination issue. Now, what will happen is if you have this message which you are trying to send to the destination issue, so bus will take only one, or let's say the configurable message at a one time. So it cannot be like always how many messages you send and all will be transmitted at once. So it is uh, really important that priority wise message will go, and one by one it will be transmitted, and every message will get chance to be transmitted. So at any time bus is busy, then you cannot transmit the message. So in this case, let's say same message is transmitted multiple time, what will happen is bus will become busy, and if very important message needs to be transmitted, that message will not get chance to be transmitted. So in this case, it is required to have some mechanism which we can identify, okay, this message already received, and again it will receive, it will just ignore this message so that other message will get chance to be transmitted. So that's why we required the uh, freshness value here. So freshness value again will be uh, created using the two mechanism. One is the counter based mechanism, where you will have simply mathematical counters to the message in ascending or descending order. Other one is the timestamp. So let's say you configure the counter based mechanism, which means that when you transmit this particular one message, you add a counter value, suppose 10, then the other side at the receiver end, it will check the last message, what it received. It is greater than whatever the message you received, the counter is greater than that. So let's say 1 greater than 10 it should have, then only it will accept. If again the 9 will come, then it will reject. Similarly, there is a timestamp based mechanism uh, using which you generate the freshness value. So this will be based on the timestamp. Here, important thing is when you use this timestamp, the clock which you use to generate this timestamp will be the same at the transmission side as well as the receiver side. Then only both will have the synchronized timestamp generated, and it will be verifiable. So yeah, this is the use of the freshness value, and this is how it is generated.